There are loads of mobile gimbals on the market, and some are better than the others. As from today, Hohem has a new selfie gimbal stick called ISTEADY V2. There's been some hype about this gimbal, so let's unbox it and see what's different on this gimbal. Welcome back, or welcome, and if that's the case, that's your first time here, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing. Give a thumbs up in this video and share this video with your friends all around. With this said, let's start the review on a Hohem V2, a selfie gimbal for your phone on a lower budget. Let's get into it. Let's start with the price. From the Kickstarter page, we can see that ISTEADY V2 will have a starting price of around $40, and that's a great price for this selfie gimbal. I will leave links on the video description that will be updated with the selling price. Please check them up. In the box, you will have a nice pouch to keep your gimbal in. A small charging cable, USB-A, USB-C, and all the manuals. The gimbal is made of a hard plastic, but doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really well built and strong. Everything folds out rather simply. When it's folded out, the handle operates as it should. But if you need it to, the handle will operate as a tripod just by pulling out the three flaps, and it's quite sturdy. The ISTEADY V2 works with Android and iOS, and most phones fit into it, like the iPhone 12 Pro Max. What's great about this gimbal is the small control panel that is a remote in-hand controller. So operating the gimbal while on a stand on a table is also possible. This gimbal is a one-axis gimbal, so you're only getting the stabilization on the X-axis. But let's not forget that this gimbal is a selfie stick with stabilization. Another great feature of this selfie gimbal stick is the amazing dedicated app for iOS and Android called Hohem Joy. The app will give you full control of the gimbal using the mobile and the controller in your hand. Talking about the controller, let's see what we can do. The bottom left button begins and stops recording, so no more choppy footage because you don't need to touch the phone to stop or start recording. The opposite side button is the portrait and landscape mode, extremely handy for TikTok and Instagram Reels, for example. Going up, the left and right buttons act as your manual pan, and this is so important because if you spin this part around until facing up, you'll be able to get 360 degrees shots, and if you add the selfie stick on this combination, you'll be able to make cool shots that you will be not able to do it on another gimbals. The app is very impressive, coming with all the standard features that your phone camera has, and more. You have the time-lapse, where you get the shutter speed and time. Slow motion mode, where you can create amazing smooth videos. You have also got the standard photo mode and the video mode. And doesn't stop here. Like the more expensive ones, the ISTEADY V2 also have the moment mode, with 5 presets to play around with, that controls the movement automatically for you. The after shots are really great, the footage is stabilized well and looks clean. My favorite is the Inception mode, which creates an awesome rotation as you walk, making quite impressive what you can achieve on such low budget. You can have object and face tracking. Now, of course, this is not a full gimbal like the ISTEADY V2 for example, because you are lacking that Z-axis stabilization. But from my experience with the ISTEADY V2, the extreme portability of being so small and easy to use, all the features and the great app makes this gimbal a great option even for professional work, where you cannot use anything else. And that's all for today, guys. This was my review on the Hohem iSteady Q, a small gimbal on a lower budget who make you do professional work as well. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, now is the right time to subscribe. With this said, I wish you guys a great day and I'll catch you later.